Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we'll continue our first chapter. We were doing numbers, and in this video we'll discuss 3-digit numbers in detail, their place value and their number names. So let's start. Okay, so what are 3-digit numbers? What is a digit? Digit is a single number, for like 1. If I write 7 or I write 6, so this is a 1-digit number, 1-digit number, 1-digit number. So these one single number is called 1 digit. Okay, now what if I write a number here 22? Okay, so how many digits are in this number? Let's count 1 and 2. So there are 2 digits in this number. So this is a 2-digit number. Okay, now let me ask a question. What is the greatest 2-digit number? Okay, think about it. What is the greatest 2-digit number? Okay, the greatest 2-digit number is 99. It is the greatest 2-digit number because what comes after 99? After 99, 100 comes. After 99 it comes 100, and which is a 3-digit number because 1, 2 and 3. So in 100 there are 3 digits. So 100 is the smallest 3-digit number, and the greatest 2-digit number is 99. Now we will discuss 3-digit numbers in detail. Okay, now you have to open your book, page number 7. Okay, what is written here? Adil has 99 blocks. How many blocks he has? 99. See here, how many blocks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 blocks and each block is of 1 10. This is 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. So how many tens are here? 9 tens. How many tens are here? 9 tens, because each block is of 10. So there are 9 tens here. Okay, now here there are single sum blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are 9 ones. How many ones are here? 9 ones. So Adil has 99 blocks, 9 tens and 9 ones. Okay. Okay, what happens if I add one more block here? Then how much it becomes? 99 plus 1 becomes 100. Okay. This one block, if I add this one block here, how many ones it will become? 10 ones. So 10 ones make 1 10. Okay, so 10 ones make 1 10. So one more 10 block comes here. Now how many 10 blocks are here? Now we have got 10 tens and 0 ones, because these ones were 10, so we added them here in tens blocks. So now we have 10 tens. Okay, and if we add 10 tens together, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, what does it become? if we add 10 tens together, it becomes 100. What does it become? It becomes 100. So 10 tens is equal to 100. Okay. So now Adil has 100. Adil has 100 block. Okay, we write 100 in columns like this. This is ones column, tens column and hundreds column. Okay, what is this? This is an abacus and we show numbers on this abacus in beads. We make 100 beads in 100 column, 10 beads in this rod and 1 bead in this rod. In this here only 100 is written, so we made 1 bead in 100 rod and 0 bead in 10's rod and 0 beads in 1's rod. Okay, now open page number 8 of your book and we will do these questions here. Okay, here a 100 block is shown. This is how a 100 block looks like. 10 tens make 100. Okay, now let's do the first question. In this question we have to make beads. Okay, this one is already done. We will do the B part. In this we will have to make beads on this abacus and we will write how many 100 blocks are here, how many 10 blocks are here and how many ones blocks are here. Okay, how many 100 blocks are here? There is only 100 block here. And how many tens are here? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tens here. And these are ones block. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's write them in each column. How many hundreds are here? 1. How many tens? 3. And how many ones? 7. So it becomes 137. And in 100 rod we will make only one bead. In 10's rod we will make 3 beads and in 1's block we will make 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is how. Okay, this last part, how many hundreds are here? 1, 2. How many hundreds are here? 2 hundreds. How many tens are here? 1. And how many ones? 2 ones. So it becomes 212. Now let's draw beads on the abacus. How many hundreds? 2. So 2, 1 10 and 2 ones. Okay, now open page number 9 of your book and the same thing we have to do here. We have to count the blocks and write in each column. Okay, how many 100 blocks are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 100 blocks are here? 6. How many tens blocks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And how many ones are here? 3. So we have 693. 693. Okay, these two parts, part C and D, you have to do these two parts by yourself. Now open page number 10 of your book. Okay, now here we will write numbers, each number in hundreds, tens and ones separately. Okay, look at the B part, 841. So how many hundreds are here? 8 hundreds. So let's write here 800. How many tens are here? 4 tens. And how many ones are here? 1. Okay, now we will make beads on abacus. How many hundreds are here? 8. So let's make 8 beads 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And how many tens are here? 4. 1 2 3 4. And how many ones? Only one. Okay. And as part C and D, you have to do these two parts by yourself. Now let's move to the next page. Okay, now here you have to learn about the number names, that how do we write number names. Okay, a 3-digit number is written here. While writing number name, the first step is you have to write the place of each digit in a number. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones, tens and hundreds. We start writing these places from the right side, but when we will write number name, we'll write this number in words, then we will start from the left side, from here. Okay, now in this number, how many hundreds are here? What is written in 100 column? 3. So it means that 3 hundreds are here. How many hundreds are here? 3. When writing number name, then you will write 3 in words. 300. And we combine these two numbers. We write last two digits together. What is it? It is 42. 300 and 42. Okay, so this is how we write a number name. 342. We write 100 separately and then last two numbers, last two digits together. So what will be a number name for this? 342. Now let's consider one more example. Okay, here. What was the first step? To write place of each digit. Ones, tens and hundreds. So what will be a number name for this? We will write 900. Okay, we don't write 0 while writing number name. We will skip this tens column, and what is it? 9. So it will be 909. What is the number name for this? 909. 909. Okay, so some number names are given here and you have to write these number names in numbers. You have to make numbers from these number names. Look at the first one, 924. So you have to write this number in form of digits. So first step is to write places, which is ones, tens and hundreds. So how many hundreds are here? 9. So 9 will come in hundreds column and 24. So 24 will come here. Now look at the second part. In second one, how many hundreds? There are 805. So we will write 8 in 100 column and 5. So should we write 5 here or here? 5 is a single digit. So we will write 5 in ones place, and in place of tens column we will write 0. So it is 805, because if you write 5 in tens column, then we will have to put 0 here and it will become 50, which is wrong because the 5 is given, not 50. So we'll write 5 here and 0 here. 805. So now let's do the last part, which is 430. So how many hundreds are here? 4. So we'll write 4 in 100 column and 30. 30 is a 2-digit number. 3 will come here and 0 here because it becomes 30. So this is how we write numbers in form of digits from given number names. So first step is very important, that is to write these places of each digit. So whether you have to write a number name or a number from number names, first step is the same, that you have to write the name of each digit over that number. So I hope the concept is clear now and you can solve the questions from your exercise. If you have any question, then you can contact on school's contact number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.